When adding items from the selections from Buzz, you have a number of options. I'll start with assessments. Under assessments, you can put the content with instructions or more information. In all of these, there's a rich text editor with formatting options for your font. You can insert links, draw, images, videos. You can embed content, use the equation editor, insert tables, and more. Under assessments, you can click on questions. You can add your own questions or link to questions within Buzz. I'm going to create a new question to show you the options here. Under the new question, you have the options to choose custom, essay, fill in the blank, matching, multiple answer, multiple choice, ordering, or passage. After you make the selection, you'll enter the text for the question and then add the choices. By selecting the correct choice, Buzz will grade the assessment for you. When choosing assignment, you also have that same rich text editor, and you can also include attachments. The other options are a course resource, which would be something that you uploaded from your computer, a website, or a Google document. In these instances, I really like to choose the rich text because anything else could be added within this window. With all of the options, you have the settings. Be sure to look at the settings to see the different ways that the students would interact within this assignment. You can assign a due date. You can decide whether it's gradable. If it's an assignment, you can choose the submission type. They can upload a single document or add a single document. If you needed them to add multiple documents, you would click here. They could submit a web address or URL, a document template, or notes. Additionally, towards the bottom, you can hide this assignment from the table of contents. You can block access until students complete another activity or until they reach mastery. You can also specify a date when this would become visible. There are many other options within the settings menu. The custom activity will be very similar to assignments. Discussions will allow students to have threads that they could respond to. You can type the prompt in here, add any activity instructions, and even attachments. Again, under settings, you can choose whether it's gradable, assign a due date, and then make some selections on how students would interact with the thread. A peer assessment activity asks you to evaluate classmates' performance using a rubric provided by the teacher. This could be focused on a specific activity like a group project or a presentation, or more general performance, things like participation or collaboration. Under the settings, they can allow self-assessment, student feedback, and this is where you would add the rubric. So you can see there are a number of ways to make interactive assessments and assignments within Buzz.